Hi, in this video we are going to talk about a very simple but yet very frequent problem which we try to solve, and that is to unzip a .tar.gz file. Sometimes you need a special software to download, and sometimes these special softwares do have adware built in that. To avoid that, we can simply use R to do that. And to do that, you don't need any special libraries. All you need is the base R, which is already installed on your machine if you have RStudio and R installed. So let's define the path. You can define the path by backslashes, or you can define the path by giving forward slashes in between the directories. And now we need to define the actual file name. So this is our file name, which is sitting in the C temp data directory. So let's go ahead and extract it now. We'll define the output directory where we want our output to be stored, and then issue this command untar the file path, which is consisting of your path and the actual file name, and the output directory is the output directory which we just defined, which is C temp data, and that will extract your .tar.gz file. And if you wanted to remove that, so let's talk about that also. So I can also remove it using the program. So I can say folder path is this one where our extract has already been created, and if I wanted to delete that, this command will help you. So use this command with caution, because you don't want to make a mistake by giving a wrong folder path in there, and that'll delete your complete folder structure in a recursive manner. I hope you found this information useful and practical. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.